Hi, I'm Chloe, otherwise known as Lady Wrights. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my favourite everyday autumn and winter makeup look. All of these products are available to buy from my lovely friends at World Duty Free, and they're super easy to help you achieve that perfect flawless base with an autumn eye and matching plum lip. If you want to see how I've achieved this look, then please keep watching. First products I'm going to use would be my very favourite primer. This is a travel exclusive to World Duty Free. It's the Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm just going to use it in my T-zone to make sure that my pores are completely sealed, ready for the makeup. Next up would be my very favourite everyday foundation right now. It is the Armani, the Power Fabric, which is a great everyday matte, and I'm just going to dot it all over the skin and buff in with my favourite brush. When it comes to contouring, there is a very simple step for every day, and it is the Smashbox 3-step trio of contour sticks. Start with the light colour just to make sure that I'm getting those highlighted areas under the eye. I'm also going to do the forehead, a line down here and directly down the centre of the nose. Then you're going to want to take your darker contour shades, really line the areas where you want the shadows to naturally form. Remember to do the lines of the nose, under the cheeks and around the forehead. You're going to want to use a bronzer that is perfect for every day. Is the Galan, comes with a blush and a matching brush. Go over the areas where you've naturally already put your cream contour. I recommend adding a tiny bit of blush just to the apples of your cheeks. My favourite is this NARS blush. This is in the shade Sex Appeal, and I'm just going to add it very, very delicately and blend backwards. I'm going to be setting my look with the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, which is an everyday all-over setting powder. My palette of choice for everyday autumn and winter looks is the Urban Decay Naked 2, an absolute cult status palette. It's basically your cool tone with some slightly warmer tones, but perfect for those smoky, sultry eyes that match this seasonal time of year. Now that I've got the outline of my eye done, I'm going to go in straight with my lid colour, which I'm going to want to be something that is very cool tone, something a little bit sparkly too. Now I'm just going to highlight that real outer edge. I probably may even try some of the black. Never forgetting the brows. My favourite brow product of the moment is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, which I'm going to now just use to define my eyebrows. And then what I'm going to do is use one of the lighter shades to highlight. I'm using the Shiseido black eyeliner, and this one is a really cute everyday pencil liner, and I'm just going to apply it very, very subtly to my under eyes and gently use your fingertips underneath to blend it in and make it look a little bit less abrasive and a little bit less harsh. If you need to revisit, just go back and try again. My absolute new favourite mascara is the NARS Climax. I love this mascara. I'm always wearing false lashes, but thanks to this, I'm literally going without them most days at the moment, and I'm just going to use this to coat my lashes top and bottom and just create some curl and lift. With the NARS Climax mascara, it's great because you can build it up for as many layers as you like. I like quite thick looking mascara on my eyes, so I'm just going to keep going to get the level of coverage that I want, and as it dries, it gives a little bit more shape for me to work with, so I recommend waiting a minute or two in between each layer that you apply as well, just to help give you some more control and coverage. And then to finish, what more could you want than the very perfect Bobbi Brown lipstick? I have got the Crushed Lip colour from Bobbi Brown. This is in the shade Plum, and Plum being the absolute perfect colour for this time of year, I'm just going to apply that all over the lips. And there we have it. This is my everyday autumn and winter look. This is the kind of look you'll see me in no matter what I'm doing. I love a plum look for this time of year, so I've gone with plum on my lips and an icy cool tone, sultry and very easy smoky eye as well, which is perfect for this time of year. Something lighter on the lids with a real nice and natural smoke in between, and as always, my favourite matte and flawless complexion as well. This whole look takes less than 25 minutes, and so it's great if you're going to meet the girls, out for a coffee, if you're heading on holiday, anything like that. At this time of year, this is the kind of look you want to be going for. All of these products are available at World Duty Free, so make sure that you pick them up on your travels. But for now, bye.